Hey guys, so today is going to be my unboxing of my Boxycharm. I don't know why I said it like that, sorry. This is November's Boxycharm, and the box is a little bit different than normal. It's actually a little bit wider this, or thinner this way, but longer this way. It's quite bigger this way too, so I guess it's their new box. I'm not sure if they're going to be changing the box every single time for the products inside of it. But yeah, before we get started and seeing in what I got in this Boxycharm, if you guys are new, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not new, welcome back, and thanks for joining us. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get the notifications of my upcoming videos, fun things such as these kind of videos. Alright, so let's just jump right into November's Boxycharm. Let's just open this up. Okay, that's cute. I like how that is, oh, things are just flying out everywhere. Okay, so here is the Boxycharm pamphlet for this month. It's not catching very well. So this is called Box's Stellar, and I have variation 7. And this month, the box ones look like this. I have actually opened the box, but this also came in the box, and this is the Pretty Vulgar Under Eye Coverage Concealer, and obviously one is missing. So these were a sample that came in the box, and if you haven't already heard, Boxycharm will be now giving out things like concealer and foundation. So they wanted to kind of do a test range, and then I've already done the quiz, which I wanted to make sure that I had done. So the middle of the ground, the middle ground is kind of my perfect shade, so there is that. So the first thing I see on here is this here. This is a Dose of Colors lipstick, liquid matte lipstick. This is in Flirty, and this is, if I'm not mistaken, a actual Boxycharm and Dose of Colors collab together. So I think there was a few different variations. So I got the light, whatever this is. Okay, so this is what mine looks like. And again, it's in Flirty. So this is what the applicator looks like. And I'm actually just gonna put this on. We'll see what it looks like. Let's see what this color looks like on me. So that is what it looks like on my lips. And this is the actual color that it is. It's a very nude pink color. I actually don't dislike it, so that's good. I do find that sometimes when I get like this kind of stuff in my Boxycharms and my subscription boxes, that they're a little bit too nude for my skin tone, but this one looks pretty decent. And so the Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick is an $18 lipstick, so that's nice. So then these two things pop out, and these are Starry Eyes Indulgent Self-Warming Eye Masks. And apparently it warms up in 30 seconds. So there is 2 of them, and yeah, so these I guess are just, these are from Popmasks, which I've never actually really heard of. Apparently they warm up. I've never really tried masks over my eyes that warm up. It says open the pouch and remove the pop mask. Gently open the pop mask and pull open the loops and place them around your ears. Okay. Then it says it will heat up and relax you. That a heating mask around my eyes will relax me, to be perfectly honest. It might stress me out a tiny bit. It says lie back, doze, sleep, daydream, meditate, or just have some me time to yourself. It says wear them it says it'll last for 20 minutes. So maybe you wear them for 20 minutes. For the set of 2, it's only $10. $10 for 2 masks is about, I guess, okay. Okay, so then of course, I'm sure everybody has seen these. So these are Boxycharm makeup brushes. I don't know what other brand. I think it's literally just Boxycharm. So this is the big one here. And you can see in comparison, compared to my hand, I have a small hand, how big that is. And then this is the littler one. I am not excited about these. I hate to say it, but I don't have a clue what the heck to use these for. They are very top heavy. It's very like, they're heavy. So I guess maybe I can contour with this one. But I don't even know what brushes they're supposed to be for. So the large one is a multi-purpose brush for powder and liquids. It says it's perfect for liquids, creams, powders, and mineral products, and foundation brush. It has an oval base that will help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. They're ultra soft and synthetic and cruelty free. Okay, so this set of brushes is $35. I don't know why anyone would buy these, to be perfectly honest, unless you're really into these. They are really, really soft, but I will never use either of these for foundation. So this is just, yep, okay. I like the pouch that they come in though. Honestly, I might just put these in a giveaway. I don't think it's something I will ever actually use. Okay, and then I have 2 more products in here, and I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow palette because this is not something I'm super happy about. So this is from Dominique Cosmetics, and this is the Celestial Thunder palette. I was really excited that we are getting Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes in this month's box until I saw what they look like. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I am not going to be doing swatches because I probably will not keep this eyeshadow palette. I have said this actually quite a few times in the last couple of boxes where we've gotten eyeshadow palettes. I haven't really been interested in any of them except for the Dose of Colors one, the brown one that I said that in the last video that I wasn't sure if I was going to keep. I actually am probably going to keep it, but when I look at this palette, the only eyeshadows that I will actually use are these 2 and maybe this one. The rest of these are something that I don't think I would ever actually wear, which is why I'm not going to do swatches. So I might end up giving it away, or I'll put it in a giveaway. I was so excited to try her eyeshadow palette, but I really hope that they put another Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette in here at some point so I can actually try her eyeshadows. This eyeshadow palette is a $35 eyeshadow palette. That's 2 things that are $35 that I will not be using. Then the last item in here is the one I picked myself, and this is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellar Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, and this is what it looks like here. And it comes with one of these lovely little things, and they are for under eye bags. And I like how, because you're supposed to massage it in, that's why it's got this lovely thing in here. So this is for it's got vitamin C and stem cells, fruit stem cells, and it reduces the appearance of fine lines around your eyes and minimizes the appearance of dark circles, which is why I picked this one, because I have some serious dark circles that are really bothering me lately. I don't know if I'm lacking water or if I've just been really tired, and I don't know why my bags are acting all sorts of crazy. I don't know if you can tell, they're really poofy these days, and they're so dark. Honestly, they've been a pain in my butt my whole life, which is why I picked this one, because I'm really, really excited to try this. And this is a $50 serum. I'm really hoping it helps my under eyes. Okay, so I'm just going to tally up how much the box was worth. Okay, wow. So this box is worth $148, which it's good. That is definitely, Boxycharm is stepping up their game a little bit. Obviously, we have to pay a little bit more. I was lucky that I had just gotten paid 6 months in advance, so I won't have to pay for the new price for about 5 months. So that was everything in this month's Boxycharm. If you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to leave a comment in the comments below. Want to see me try out one of the masks? Also leave me a comment in the comments below. I can definitely do a review for you guys. I think that'd be a super fun video. If you have tried this, leave me a comment in the comments below as well. Let me know how hot and warm it gets, if it's like a weird feeling, or if it helps under eye bags or whatever. It doesn't say if that's what it's supposed to help, so I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!